Warhammer Age of Sigmar, the Gloomspite Gitz gave to me. Grotmas Gitz's. It's only one miniature though. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Warhammer commemorative series, Warhammer Age of Sigmar, Gloomspite Gitz, Grotmas Gitz. It is arriving up for pre-order, and this model is a lot of fun. And with commemorative series models, yeah, they're always kind of these one-off kind of models. They don't have to be part of the larger Warhammer universe, but with this Age of Sigmar Gloomspite Gitz, Grotmas Gitz, that's a whole mouthful to say. I'm sure we'll probably see some rules for it in the future, and I think that would add a nice level of hilarity, just like what we saw with the Red Gobbo surprise. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So this is one Citadel miniature. Let's have a look at the back of the box. Oh my god. At first I thought he had a headdress on. For whatever reason, the way they took that picture, it almost looked like a war bonnet. But anyway, lots of pretty pictures. It's not really a one-to-one on this. It's got to be about a one-to-one here. Like, this has got to be about the size of the miniature. It's a pretty good size. And yeah, I'm excited to get into it. And we talked about it in the previous unboxing of the Red Gobbo surprise of, basically using these miniatures, these holiday commemorative type pieces as Christmas decorations. And I think that's a lot of fun. And now that this other fella has shown up, I'm kind of leaning that way. I want to get these done so that I can hang them on my tree. I know it sounds silly, but that's the kind of silly person I am. Let's get the Blade of Destiny here and let's cut in to this box. And yeah, let's have a look. And possibly, that thing we do, you know what, do we got to come in for the ASMR? I think we do. It's the holiday season. I think we got to come in for the ASMR. Okay, here we go. You ready? That wasn't bad. It wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. We'll do another one. Right here. Ready? Oh, that was another short one. All right, let's get it. It's like Christmas here. Let's just dive in. See, this is why I love it when the packages show up with cellophane, because makes me happy. Okay, let's dive into this box. Oh man, I'm excited. It's Christmas. It is Christmas. Hello, can I get into this thing here? No little symbol on the tab. Aw, that'd have been nice with like a little Gloomspite symbol there or something, Okay, let's dive in. Let's get in the box. Oh, let's get into this box. We are greeted right away with the instruction guide. And with the instruction guide, it's actually got a bit of thickness to it. And there's, quite a bit here. Gives us a nice big picture of the frame. Fairly complex assembly. A lot of little parts, a lot of little details going on here. Oh, I like that. I didn't even notice that. Oh yeah, it does come with a sculpted base. I like when they do that. For whatever reason, I like when they do that. It's like, it reminds me of the Warhammer Underworlds, where like the little grot hanging on for his dear life. And it's also got rules. Well, because it's Age of Sigmar, right? So it's going to have rules. Here is the frame, and we're going to come in for a closer look on that in a moment. Really, really fantastic. And yeah, I'm excited. You know what? Let's come in for a closer look, and let's see what this possibly smells like. Okay, coming in for that closer look. Oh, let's turn it the right way so we can see the numbers as they're properly. I like seeing that stamp on the frames. Anyway, the squig, lots of parts for the squig. Pretty surprising. The base, look at he's making snow angels. The little grot is making snow angels. That is hilarious. That's hilarious. That gets bonus points in my book. This squig biting the whole thing of presents and everything like that. I think that is hilarious. I like this little squig hanging on for his dear life. Orcs are always such a great source of comedy within the Warhammer universe, whichever side of the aisle you're. Oh, look at that. There's a little space marine on here. Is that right? There's a little friggin' space marine there. Look at, that's a little space marine. That's kind of meta, isn't it? It's a little meta. I think that's a little meta. Oh my gosh, this is too funny. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And the squig is fantastic. Look at his big angry face on him. I'm still laughing to myself that there's a Space Marine on this. That is hilarious. I dig it. I like it. I appreciate it. And yeah, it has definitely brought a smile to my face. And I think, honestly, that is the most important thing during the holidays, is to find the things that bring a smile to your face, you know? And hopefully these videos bring a smile to your face as well, because, you know, it's all we got, man. It's all we got. We only have smiles. Smiles and cries. That's it. All right, we got to do a sniff test. Speaking of smiles and cries. Yep. Grotmas is here. Yeah. I think that was a sniff test, I think. Very, very cool. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our unboxing of the Gloomspite Gitz, Grotmas Gitz. It's a lot, it's a mouthful. It's a lot of saying Gitz in there. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your continued support and all you brand new ones, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge, huge thank you to everybody. Also, everybody, big thank you to everybody here on YouTube, clicking that membership button. Big, big thank yous to all of you as well. That really helps the channel, along with the Patreon and along with all the other support that everybody else has been showing. Huge, huge thank yous. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody for taking the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. Maybe, just maybe, a battle report. Maybe, just maybe. I know I keep saying that one, but we will get there. We will. With more Christmas ornaments. The Battle of Christmas Ornaments. There it is. That's it. That's the next battle report. The Battle of Christmas Ornaments. Are we going to see more Christmas themed Warhammer miniatures in the future? I think so. I think that's a pretty safe bet to make. But will they continue to be Grot themed? Or will we see other Age of Sigmar type factions come into play? Even Warhammer 40,000? I don't know. Warhammer 40,000 and Christmas, you know, it's a little too... there's not enough cuddly things in Warhammer 40,000. Age of Sigmar's got that covered. Warhammer 40,000, not so much. Anyway, that was a small tangent. Okay, bye.